In this unit, we're going to talk about air. In particular, we're going to talk about the air that we breathe. So why don't you just take a deep breath right now and let it out. Think about it for a minute. What is in the air that we breathe? Do you know what it is? Well, I think you probably know that it's a gas for sure because you can't really see it, but you know that it's there. But have you ever wondered if the air that you're breathing can be dangerous to your health? Well, to answer these questions, we're going to have to deepen our understanding of chemistry so we can think more quantitatively about what is in the air we breathe. The first thing that you may or may not know is that air is a mixture. Okay, and a mixture is defined as a physical combination of two or more substances present in variable amounts. However, in general, we can estimate what the major components of air are. Did you know that 78% of the air that you breathe is made of nitrogen, whereas only 21% is oxygen? And then all the other gases that you might think of, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc., pollutants, only make up 1% total of the air we breathe. And of that 1%, most of it is actually the noble gas argon. So our air is a mixture. And again, a mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances present in variable amounts. So air, even though we call it air, we know it's the stuff we breathe, we know it's a gas, but it varies depending on where you are. Are you inside or are you outside? Is it the breath you just breathed in, or is it the breath you just breathed out? So all of these subtle changes do affect the composition of air, and so the mixture changes. So what we're going to do in this unit is we're going to take a closer look at how a chemist defines air. Everything I've listed here, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, are all elements. But we're going to see that air is made of elements and compounds in varying concentrations. So we're going to take a closer look at concentration measurements. We're going to take a closer look at what is the difference between an element and a compound. We're going to look at some basic chemical changes and see how upon chemical change we can create new gases and therefore change the components of the mixture of air depending on where you are.